China has recently unveiled its Atlas UAV Swarm Combat System, and this is far more than a routine drone test. What we're witnessing here is a glimpse into how future battlefields may actually operate. In the latest full-cycle demonstration, multiple drones didn't just fly in formation, they functioned as a single, coordinated combat network. From launch to execution, each UAV continuously shared data, adapted to real-time conditions, and responded collectively rather than as isolated units. At the core of this system is a ground-based platform known as the Swarm 2 combat vehicle, first introduced at Airshow China 2024. This vehicle acts as both a launch system and a control hub, capable of deploying up to 48 fixed-wing drones. When integrated with a command unit, that number can scale up to 96 drones operating simultaneously. What makes the Atlas system particularly significant is its modular design. Each drone can be equipped for different roles: reconnaissance, electronic warfare, or precision strike. This allows the swarm to operate in layered phases, first gathering intelligence, then disrupting enemy systems, and finally executing coordinated attacks. But the real shift lies in autonomy. These drones are powered by AI-assisted algorithms that enable target recognition, route optimization, and task distribution with minimal human input. In practical terms, a single operator can supervise an entire swarm, while the system itself handles real-time decision-making. During the March 2026 test, the swarm successfully identified a specific command vehicle among multiple similar targets and carried out a precision strike. Drones were launched at intervals of just a few seconds, dynamically adjusting based on mission requirements. The implication is clear. Warfare is evolving from platform-centric power to network-centric coordination, and if systems like Atlas mature at scale, they could challenge the traditional dominance of fighter jets and conventional air defense by overwhelming them through sheer coordination and adaptability.